Can you actually solve this problem correctly on your first try? Take a moment and don't rush. Most people confidently blurting out the answer within seconds end up making a tiny careless mistake that ruins the entire calculation.
In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. All right? According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first, we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division,